guys, Matt, IronTrap Garage, coming to you with a tools that don't suck video. It's been a little while since I've done one of these. We've been so busy with the free tee project that I haven't really taken the time to stop and do a quick little video, and I wanted to just throw out a neat, cheap, inexpensive tool for any of you guys that haven't seen one of these before. I try and just throw out a tool that is really helpful for me, and it's something that I think might be a little unusual that maybe you don't have, and a lot of times it's something that's fairly inexpensive, so you guys can just kind of buy it, throw it in your box, and you will thank me when you get it. So what we're talking about today is these, I have 3 of them, but you can get as many as you want. They are little pry tools. They're aircraft pry tools. They're made out of 4140 as the material, and they have a little bend on the end of them, and it's really, really thin on the end. It's probably the equivalent of like 20 gauge, but because of the material it's made out of, it's really strong. I use these quite often when I'm setting up a panel to butt weld. Sometimes when you're getting the panel in place, you can't access the backside really good, or when you go to start tacking it, the panel might get a little offset and you need to kind of pop it back into place or pry it a little bit. These are really handy for that. If you've tried to use a screwdriver or something else that's stiff enough to do the bending, but a lot of times it's too thick, so what'll happen is it'll actually buckle your panel and create more damage and more work for you. So by using these, they're really strong, they're really thin, so you can get in and usually pop the panel back in place or kind of move it around a little bit without causing too much disturbance of the metal around it. So that's why I grabbed these. I got them just from a random aircraft supply house. You guys could probably click the link down below that we're going to drop in for Google, and you guys could find them yourself and pick whichever supply house that you want to get them from. May be able to even find them on Amazon. So that's all I have for this one. Just a quick little tools that don't suck video, down to the point, and hopefully it's something that you guys can use. Thanks guys for watching. Catch you later.